Hi everyone. In this video series, I'm going to share how I used Modular Kit from Cuore Pizza Ovens to construct my wood-fired pizza oven, including all the materials used, where I purchased them, and what was the cost involved. Stay tuned. So it has been over a week now, and today I'm very excited to start the first fire. Obviously this is not for cooking. We are just going to cure our pizza oven so that it doesn't get hot suddenly and crack. So we'll have to do this curing process over next few days, 5 or 6 days, and then we'll gradually increase the temperature. Today we'll just start with probably 60, 70 Celsius or around 120, 130 Fahrenheit, and then we'll gradually go from there. So we are making pile of small wooden pieces that can burn easily, and then I'm just using a torch to light them up. After about 30 or 40 minutes of burning at this pace, we finally saw a movement in the temperature gauge. Okay, so we are touching 150. That's where we want it to be today. It's just under 150, and we'll just maintain it like this. I moved the fire inside so that it's in the middle, and we'll just feed 1 or 2 wood blocks every now and then to make sure it's staying around that temperature and it's not going down too much. So today is day 2, and we're going to get another fire going. Today we'll aim for 200 or 220, around that range, roughly 100 Celsius, and maintain it for a few hours. So we have hit our desired temperature today. It's around 100 Celsius and 215 to 220 Fahrenheit. So that's where we'll maintain it today. As you can see, fire is slightly bigger than what it was yesterday, and same drill, we'll keep this temperature for a couple of hours. Day 3 today, and same drill pretty much, just that today we are going to aim for around 320, 340 Fahrenheit, and again let it stay around that temperature for 3 to 4 hours. So today is day 4 of the curing process, and we're gonna aim for high temperatures, 450, probably around 450 or maybe even higher than that. Yesterday we were touching 340, 350, and today right now it's still sitting at 150, so it hasn't gone down to zero as expected. That's good. All right, so today is day 5 and also the final day of the curing process. Today we're just gonna aim for the highest temperature of all 5 days, so we'll bump it up to all the way 500, 550, around that temperature, somewhere between that, and then we should be good to go afterwards. I mean, this temperature is definitely higher than most of the indoor ovens we have, so if we really want to, we can cook today, but this will still be just a curing fire. We'll blast it all the way to 550, around that temperature. To get to higher temperatures, you have to constantly feed large wooden blocks, and you have to make sure that every now and then you're reshuffling all the burnt wood so that you have nice airflow inside the pizza oven, and that way you'll have a good flame that will help you get to the higher temperatures. All right, folks, there we have it. It's right now sitting at around 510, 520. That's where we wanted it to be. It may go slightly up because the flame is still high. Obviously, this temperature is for the front, and I would imagine that inside the temperature is different on different areas. So let's have a look. But in terms of curing process, we are done with the curing process, and next time we should be ready for the actual baking. So just at the door we are around 350. If I move in slightly, we can see we are hitting around 550, 350, 300, 470. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. We shared how to cure your pizza oven, starting with gradual fires around 100 and 120 Fahrenheit, and then gradually take it all the way up to 500, 550 over a period of 5 days. Hopefully it turns out good when we start the actual baking.
Like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.